Okay, right now, just like I said earlier on, so we want to try to get a kind of trading strategy for you guys. What kind of trading strategy can you use whereby you can become consistently profitable? So right now, there are sometimes I cannot always drop trades for you guys, but on your own, you can pick up trades by yourself. Though on this challenge I want to do, we do not have choice than to drop trade for you guys. So, but for now, somebody asked me a question that how can they draw a trend line? How can they draw a trend line? So I'll be covering that trend line part right here in this place. Now, but before I cover the trend line, let's see the what is going on right now on Docs and how we can get our entry positions. So you will not be asking that should we short, should we long, should we short? You should know how to pick up entry positions on your own in your room because that particular time you're asking me if you should short or you should long. I might be driving, I might be busy at that particular period of time and all that. So on your own discretion, how do you pick up trades? What can you do? What should you see to pick up trades? Now, okay, let me dive into that right now so you can know how to go into a trade and how to exit a trade. So now this is 5 minutes time frame, but let me just dive into the 4 hours time frame because we need to understand the overall trend before we can do anything while trading cryptocurrency, stocks, indices, binary options, and every other market that has to do with price charts or price structures and all that. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours. Now it said 4 hours, no 1 month. 4 hours time frame. So now here on the 4 hours time frame. Oh, here on the 4 hours time frame. If anyone can remember, like I said, after the breakout, let me go to 5 minutes again. We'll go come back to 4 hours. I want to show you guys something. So most times I don't have to send you a signal before you know what to do. Most times you should understand what you do, whether I'm online or I'm not online. Told you that if you check my previous video, I said after the breakout, you start seeing that price starts going rallying up, and which that's what price doing at the moment, going up, higher highs, higher low, higher higher high, higher low, higher high. Now it's retracing back here because it needs to come and retest. Once it retest, we are going back up again. So this is 5 minutes, but let me go back to 4 hours. So you know what is happening exactly. You understand the price language, you understand what is happening in the market whenever you come on the market. Please do want to check my previous video to understand the process of what I've been saying. So let's go back to 4 hours time frame. So you can know how to put in your entry and your stop loss and everything because most of us are day traders. We want to go in and pick up our profit and come out, go in, pick up our profit and come out with scalp and all that. So might not want to be in a trade for days or for hours or so you learn how to go into the market and make money, come out of market, make money, come out of the market. I've made a lot of money today from trading. I've made a couple of dollars and all that, going in and coming out, going in and coming out. But I can't be telling you guys all that at the same time while I'm trying to really capture a particular market. What I'm trying to do is how to make you guys understand how to trade by yourself, picking up trades by yourself. This is a 4 hours time frame. So now here on the 4 hours, let me zoom it. Let me zoom it. You can see price breaking out of that zone. So now I've given you guys where price coming to. This is the next place that price coming to. I've told you guys already. But now you need to get a perfect entry. See, you need to draw your trend line to understand all this thing. You need to know how to draw trend line. I've drawn this trend line. Please check my other videos to see how I drew this trend line. Try and draw your trend line too like that. Go to 4 hours time frame and draw your trend line the way I drew this trend line. Then draw what the next thing you want to draw is your support and your resistance. Before you go, you need to find out entry zone where you can enter the market, because the market don't just go up. Zoo. The market goes up. It goes up in how like in MW, MW, WM, MW, just like we see this. This is M, and it's went up, and it's coming. Just that is how the market goes. Like W, this is another W. So the market goes up, but you already know the direction. Now you find your entry on the smaller time frames. You find your entry on the smaller time frame. Look at this. Look at this week right here now. It's a whole lot of zigzag on the smaller time frame. A whole lot of zigzag. So now I want to check the support and the resistance that is around this particular zone. Now, what where it supports? Why did it stop here? What made this thing to stop right here? Why did it stop here? When is it going to pull out to go to the next level, which is the next level? Which next level is going to go to? Those are the things you need to check out for. So now, how do you do that? How do you do it now? You want to find out why the price stop right here? Why did it stop right here? Why? What happened? Now, you now have to draw a resistance line, which was sometimes a support line in the previous charts, in some previous price charts. Now let's come down here now. This is a resistance. This is a support. So rather, this is a support line. This particular part for this trade. When this trade got here, it went all the way up right here. Please just follow the video carefully. When this trade got here, it went all the way up. From here, when it got to this point, that's the support. It went all the way up to this part. So now you now want to draw a support line right here. A support line right here. Draw a support line right here. Support. Support. Now, support line became resistance for price. Now the support line became resistance. That was why this price stopped here. So are you getting it right now? Are you understanding what I'm saying right now? Please, you need to always let me know in the comment section. Now, support line became a resistance, right? So that was why price stopped here. And that was why price was retracing from this zone. So if you don't understand how to analyze charts this way, you keep on losing money. So now that we have find out, without further ado, then I'll go back to the lower time frame. Let's see what is happening on the lower time frame. How is this candle reacting to this support line? Already now, once this candle breaks the support line, it will go to the next zone. It will go there, which are the lines I've already drawn. Please go to your trading view and draw all these lines I've drawn. Go to your trading view so you understand what you're doing in the market. If not, you just keep playing gambles, losing your money up and down. All right, so let's go to the smaller time frame right now. These 3 hours. Let me go to 1 hour. 1 hour. Then let me go to 30 minutes. No, 10 minutes. Oh, 30 minutes is still okay. Oh gosh, 4 hours. Going back 4 hours. Let me go to 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So our $10 to $3,000 challenge will be starting tomorrow. $10 to $3,000 in 60 trading days will be starting tomorrow. So you guys should go fund your account with $10. Yeah, go fund your account with $10. If you don't have $10, go get the money anywhere you want to get it from. Let's do our $10 to $3,000 challenge within 60 trading days. 60 trading days, $10 to $63,000. Then after 60 trading days, I will do $100 to $30,000 within 60 trading days. But I want you guys to use $10 first. $10 to $3,000 within 60 trading days. Then we'll go back to $100 to $30,000. $100 to $30,000 within 60 trading days. So this is 30 minutes. Now, let me go to 5 minutes. Now, this is 5 minutes. What are you seeing here? Now, price reacted to the resistance line, which was support for what I showed you in 4 hours time frame. You can see how price is reacting. Now, price gave us a structure in 5 minutes time frame. Now, let me put a small line in the structure. This is how to scalp the market to know what you're doing. This is how to scalp the market. Price got here, rejected it, it went by, rejected it. This is the third time price going back there and rejecting it. Now you have to check if price going to break this structure right now. If price will break this structure, this is called triple top. Triple top, triple top. You can see one, two, three. Normally, if price should break out and retest this to be going up, it will be going to be it will be bullish. But when price rejected it 3 times, so that means it's coming back down. You can see right now rallying down at the moment. So this is how you know what to do next. What to do next. Now, so now what you want to do is for price to break this neckline, retest it, and come back down to this zone. Once you get to this zone, then it retest the zone and go back up and break out this structure right here. So that's how to know how to get your entry. So, but for now, for me, I'll wait till price gets down to this point, retest this point, and go back all up. That's what I'm waiting for. So, but if you want to scalp, want to know if you should enter or not, wait for price to break this line I drew here, retest it and come back, just get the small percentage. Then from once you get here, it's retested. Then once it's going up, you follow price back up. You just zoom up. So that's how to trade. Now, if you check the 1 minute of on what is happening in this 5 minute right now, you see how its price looks like. You see how it should have rallied. Look at what is happening right now. So waiting for a breakout. Once price break out from this zone, any of this zone, is that come down to this spot or break out from this zone, then it go back to that next resistance line that I told you guys about. So right now it's going back up. You can see how it's going back up right now. So you wait for the breakout from this zone. That is how to trade. Now, if you want to trade the ranging market, because right now it is ranging, you can still go on all the way up down to this point. But I do not trade ranging market. I've told you guys time without number. I don't trade ranging markets. So this is how to know how to trade. So now you've already put in price in this bracket. So wait for it to come out of this bracket. Then you trade. The other time I told you in 4 hours time frame. When I said price has formed the head and shoulder, that once it break out from that head and shoulder pattern, it will rally up. I told you go and trade that previous view. Price broke out. You guys did not take advantage of that trade. You didn't take advantage. You're still waiting for me to come and tell you because the moment that price broke out, I might not have time to tell you that it was breaking out. I'll just take advantage. So right now, I'm telling you right now that take advantage of this particular trade right now. Price is in this zone, these two zone, these two red lines right now. These two red lines. This red, okay, let me use this as blue. It was previously a support for on that 4 hours time frame. So once it is broken, it will go way, way up. Now let me change this as okay, let me leave this as red. So please do well to watch this video and share this video for those that would love to trade docs USDT perpetual. Send the video to them, let them watch it, let them know what price is in at the moment so they can actually benefit from the big move that this is going to bring out. You can see that's from the double bottom, so it's going to get to this stage right now. This particular place is going to get here right now. That's from the double bottom on the 1 minute time frame. You can see, but I do not trade ranging market like I've told you. So now I wouldn't know why you don't understand how to trade till this minute. Look at what price is doing right here. Look at what price is doing. It went up, came back, went up, came back, went up, came. So why would you know what to do next? You know it's going to go up next. You know already. And if it breaks out from this zone, if it breaks out from this particular line, it's coming down here. It's coming down. It's coming down. It's coming down to this zone. It's coming down. This will get here and still break out from here and come down this zone, then go back up. So it is not difficult to understand. So that's how to trade in a zone. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Shalom.